Hi, my name is Dan with Cali Raised, and today we're going to be installing the front skid on the 4th gen Tacoma. So for the hardware, we're going to need is 4 M12 bolts with the associated washers, 4 3/8 bolts with washers, and then 8 M8 bolts with the associated washers as well. So for the tooling, what we'll need is a 19mm socket, a 17mm socket, a 13mm socket, a 7/32 Allen wrench, a ratchet wrench, an extension, and either a 12mm socket or a 12mm box end wrench. So first, we're going to undo these 4 12mm bolts, take this skid off, and proceed from there. Next, we're going to be removing these factory tie-down points with our 17mm socket. So first, we're going to start off by putting 2 of the M12 bolts into the frame with the skid plate just to set it in place, and then we will then install the 8 later. Next, we're going to put 2 M8 bolts lightly into place so that we can then mount everything else up. Next, we're going to partially install 4 more M8s into the rest of the skid plate, into the rear and into the middle. Next, if you have the cross support here, you would install the M8 bolts there. We don't, and it's not a big deal. After that, you would go on to remounting our factory tie-down points. Now, if you're only installing the front skid, go ahead and tighten everything down with your 17mm for the 2 bolts up here, and then the 13mm socket for the rest of the M8s. Once everything is tightened down, go ahead and install your oil door. And that's how you install the front skid. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our Cali Raised LED YouTube channel, as well as visiting caliraisedled.com.